Hello, this is Benjamin with ARI, your website company, and the point of this video will be to set up your staff page on your responsive website using your CMS editor. The very first place we'll go down to Structured Content and click on Staff. Once the next page opens, the very first thing that you'll want to do is define your department by clicking on New Department. Now, as you can see, I have two different departments here. You will want to specify your employees by their department, such as upper management, lower management, parts team, sales team, used equipment, parts and accessories, and try to name every department that you have as clearly as possible. Once you've created the department, it will create this green box that we see here. Let's go into the details of the TSC sales team that I've outlined here. We'll click on Details. First, you'll want to name your department. That is your department group title. Owner. This is setting up which of your pages this staff page is going to display on. If you have multiple domains that are pointing back to the same site, you'll want to say all sites. If you have a single domain through us, you'll want to select that domain from this list. Group description. This is a description of all of the employees in this department, what their particular focus or objective is as a team. Then, you'll click on New Employee. And here's the sheet that will be presented. Employee name, email address, telephone, title, position, and then a short bio. And finally, if you would like to include it, an image. Keep in mind as you're going through and setting this up, the only required field for this area is employee name. So if you don't want to include the rest of this written information or the picture, you do not have to. Then, once you've got all of your employees added into this department, you would create a new department and complete those steps again. Once you want to push this over to your site so you can see what it looks like, you'll first click on Save Changes. Move up into your upper right-hand corner of your editor, click on Your Name, and Publish Changes. Just so we can see what it looks like over on the site, I'll click Back to my website. And here we have our two different teams that we've set up, and our employees with pictures underneath each. This has been setting up your staff page on your CMS editor for your responsive website. Thank you.